give me an explanation of class in Python programming. In Python, a class is a blueprint for creating objects. It groups data, variables, and behavior, functions, that logically belong together. Think of a class as a template, and objects as things made from that template. Simple idea, real-world analogy. Class a blueprint for a car. Object an actual car built from that blueprint. The blueprint defines what the car has, color, speed, fuel. What the car can do, drive, brake. Basic class example. Class dog. Def _ init _ self, name, age. Self.name equals name. Self.age equals age. Def bark, self. Print, woof. What's happening here? 1. Class dog creates a new class named dog. 2. Init _ constructor. Def _ init _ self, name, age. Runs automatically when a new object is created. Initializes, sets up, the object's data. Self refers to the current object. 3. Instance variables. Self.name equals name. Self.age equals age. Each object gets its own copy of these values. 4. Methods, functions inside a class. Def bark, self. Print, woof. Def bark, self. Print, woof. Defines behavior that objects of this class can perform. Creating objects, instances. Dog1 equals dog, buddy, 3. Dog2 equals dog, max, 5. Dog1 and Dog2 are objects. Both are created from the dog class. They have their own data. Using object data and methods. Print, Dog1.name #buddy. Print, Dog2.age, #5. Dog1.bark, #woof. Why use classes? Classes help you. White heavy checkmark organize code. White heavy checkmark model real-world things. White heavy checkmark reuse code. White heavy checkmark avoid repetition. White heavy checkmark build large programs cleanly. Instead of scattered variables and functions, everything related stays together. Class variables vs instance variables. Class dog. Species equals K9 #class variable. Def _ init _ self, name. Self.name equals name #instance variable. Class dog. Species equals K9 #class variable. Def _ init _ self, name. Self.name equals name #instance variable. Class variable shared by all objects. Instance variable unique per object. Inheritance, one class built from another. Class animal. Def speak, self. Print, the animal makes a sound. Class dog, animal. Def speak, self. Print, woof. Dog inherits from animal. Can reuse or override behavior. Minimal mental model. Class equals blueprint, Object equals thing made from the blueprint. Attributes equals data. Methods equals actions. Self equals this object.